Good afternoon. My name is Goria Pangang, and in our presentation today, I will moderate the presentation. So today we will explain about the two-way symmetric model of public relation. The table of contents that we are going to explain today is the first one is definition, next one is characteristics, the next one is function, the next is purpose, and the last one is conclusion. After this presentation about the two-way symmetric model of public relation, we will explain a product with public public relation with two-way symmetric model. Okay, the first one is the definition. We will explain by my friend Mario Febrianto.
Okay, my name is Mario Febrianto and I will explain about the definition of two-way symmetric model and characteristic. Okay, the first one is the definition. Two-way symmetric PR is sometimes described as ideal of public relation. The two-way symmetrical model of public relation as described in Grunik's excellence theory is a model of public relation that is focused primarily in making sure that decisions made by an organization are mutually beneficial between itself and its audience. The next one is characteristic. The first one is it describes a level equality of communication not often found in real life, where each party is willing to alter their behavior to accommodate the needs of the other. And the second one is while the other models are characterized by monologue type communication, the symmetric model involves ideas of dialogue. And the last one is communication in this model is fully reciprocal and power relationships are balanced. The next material will be explained by my friend Setiawan Umbunai.
My name is Setiawan Umbunai, and now I want to explain about the function and the purpose. For the first one is the function. The first is inform the PR practitioners about its audience needs so that more strategic message and narrative can be created, making sure a company can meet those needs in reality. The second, to balance the power of relationship and communication. And the last is to make sure that the occasion are mutually beneficial between itself and audience. Then next is the purpose. The first is improve the company's positive image to the public. The second is create a solid communication between the company and its audience. The third is develop communication in an easy, informal way and listen to any issues. And the last is create a mutual registration and willingness to adapt and make compromises. Okay, the next explained by my friends Elgisan Victores.
Okay, my name is Elgisan Victores, and now I want to explain about the example. A real-life example of the two-way symmetric model of public relations developed by James A. Grunik is Starbucks. Its approach to corporate social responsibility and customer engagement. Example, Starbucks ethical sourcing and sustainability efforts. The context, Starbucks has consistently engaged in two-way communication with its stakeholders, customers, employees, suppliers, and communities, especially regarding its sustainability and ethical sourcing initiatives. How it demonstrates the two-way symmetric model? The first one, listening to the stakeholders. Starbucks actively engage with customers and environmental groups to understand concerns about sustainability and ethical sourcing. It also conducts surveys, social media engagement, and direct interaction to gather feedback. The second one, mutual understanding and adaptation. After listening to the stakeholders' concerns about ethical coffee sourcing, Starbucks introduced the Coffee and Farmer Equity, or CAFE, practice, ensuring fair wage and sustainable farming methods. It partnered with conservation organizations like Rainforest Alliance and Fair Trade to certify its coffee sourcing. The third one, corporate decisions based on feedback. When customers express a desire for less plastic use, Starbucks announced the elimination of plastic straws and introduced strawless lids. It has also increased the use of recycled materials in its cups and packaging. The last one, transparency and open communication. Starbucks publishes sustainability reports annually to keep stakeholders informed. It engages in direct communication through town halls, social media, and digital platforms to discuss company initiatives. Why it is a two-way symmetric PR model? Unlike one-way or asymmetric models that focus on persuasion, Starbucks adjusts its business practices based on the stakeholders' input, ensuring a balance of interests. This builds trust and a long-term positive relationships. The next one is conclusion. Two-way symmetric is a system where a company can communicate and establish a mutual beneficial connection to its audience or customers to support each other, especially about problems or needs that occur in certain situations that needs participation between audience and the company to solve the problem with a better solution and efficient way. In short, two-way symmetrical model can be a media that help establish a better connection to serve a better communication and condition between the company and audience or customer.
Okay, next we will explain about the public relations strategy that we do for Telkomsel organization or products. Good afternoon, listeners. We are from Telkomsel. We will explain our strategy to maintain public relation. So, PT Telekomunikasi Indonesia Seluler, our breakdown. Telkomsel was founded on May 26, 1999 and is a subsidiary of PT Telekomunikasi Indonesia Tbk or Telkom Indonesia, which is the largest state-owned telecommunications company in Indonesia. So our Telkomsel provides mobile telecommunication services such as voice, data, and other digital service. Next is the vision, mission, and the purpose of Telkomsel. That will explain by my friend Setiawan Numbunai.
Okay, my name is Setiawan Numbunai, and now I want to talk about our vision, mission, and purpose. The first is the vision. Vision will become the digital telco of first choice to advance society. The second is mission. We have third point. The first is accelerate development of smart digital infrastructure and platform that are sustainable, economical, and accessible to the entire community. The second is develop superior digital talents that help drive the nation digital capacity build and digital adoption rates. The last is orchestrate the digital ecosystem to provide the best customer digital experience. And the next is purpose, creating a more prosperous and communicative nation and providing the best added value for the stakeholders. Our products is the first is the sympathy. Throughout Sympathy, we present a variety of data services that are able to meet various customer preferences in the following their digital lifestyle. This is so by the available of OMG, data packages, Combo Sakti, Kuota Ketengan, Sympathy Entertainment starter cards, to building page cakes with various leading digital services, which have now been adjusted to the needs of people's digital activities. The second is Grapari. Grapari is consistently present as a holistic customer service unit by prioritizing the concept of digital-based service through Grapari Digital and Grapari Virtual. And the third is Telkomsel Orbit. Telkomsel Orbit as a digital home internet solution provide various convenience in every customer journey. Customers and easily make orders, installation and use which can be done quickly by themselves through the includes Telkomsel Orbit digital ecosystem. Okay, the next explained by my friends Elgis and Victores.
Now I want to explain about the two-way symmetric strategies. Okay, the first one is social media interaction. We actively listen to customer feedback on its social media platforms like Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. Instead of just broadcasting information, we engage in conversations with customers, respond to complaints, and uses the input to improve products and service. Okay, as you can see here, this is one of our example of product promotion in Facebook. Beli paket dan pulsa di My Telkomsel dan pembayarannya pakai Telkomsel Smart Pay, kamu bisa kantongin cashback 6 Transaksi minimal 10.000 di My Telkomsel atau klik My Telkomsel app dan kantongin cashback 50% berupa saldo GoPay hingga 20.000. Periode berlaku sampai 31 Maret 2025 dengan syarat dan ketentuan yang berlaku. And then as you can see here, this is one of our customers that giving a feedback. Mr. Warno, he asked, Smart Pay kalau diisi, ditransfer dengan Brimo apakah ada biaya transfer? And then our customer service say, kalau yang Kak Warno maksud pembayaran tagihan Smart Pay, kakak akan dikenakan biaya administrasi dari pilihan cara bayar yang digunakan untuk melakukan pelunasan tagihan Telkomsel Smart Pay-nya. Okay, the next one will be explained by my friend Iyo.
The next material is Telkom's customer service apps. In our apps, My Telkomsel, we not only provide service but also invites direct feedback, which is then used to improve user experience and address specific needs. Here we offer a special selection from My Telkomsel. There are various package options according to your needs at the prices list. Start from daily, weekly to monthly internet with large quotas and low prices. Enjoy a fast and stable network everywhere. The next material will be explained by Gordianus.
Okay, the next two-way symmetric strategy we do is Telkomsel chatbot. With this initiative, we allow customers to ask questions and receive responses in real time, fostering a two-way exchange between the company and the customers. So here, you can visit our Veronica Telkomsel in this link below. So the Veronica is a chatbot virtual assistant that always have the customer to access Telkomsel products and services or other fun typical supported by technology from Microsoft and other OpenAI. So here's the example, the customer's conversation with the chatbot. So the customer here asks a question about what special promo that he can get from the Telkomsel now, and the AI or Veronica answer it directly. So if the customers have a question or a feedback for Telkomsel, he can chat the OpenAI, which his name is Veronica. Okay, in conclusion, public relation or PR is an activity carried out by a company to build good relations with the public, improve the company's image, and strengthen the customers' trust and loyalty. For Telkomsel, PR has various important benefits both for the company's reputation and to maintain good relations with consumers and other stakeholders. Overall, effective PR helps Telkomsel to stay ahead in maintaining good relations with the public and strengthen its position as one of the best telecommunications service providers in Indonesia. So if you have a question, so you can send the question to our email below. Okay, thank you.